Hello guys, welcome to DennisTechTips. In this video, you are going to learn how to create a quick response code, popularly known as QR code. You might want to create a QR code to store or code a piece of information. QR code gives users swift access to websites, social media handles, and many more without them typing in the URL or even remembering the URL. There are different ways you can generate a QR code, and I'm going to show you some of them. I'm not only going to show you how to generate a QR code, I'm also going to show you how to customize it to your preference. The first method I'm going to show you is how to generate a QR code in Microsoft Office. You can use any Microsoft Office app like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and others to generate a QR code. Let's see how. Here I am in Microsoft Word to create a QR code. First, I'm going to install an add-in. Head over to the Insert menu and click on Get Add-in. Immediately, the add-in store will open. On the search for QR, and you'll see different QR code add-ins. But I will recommend you go for QR for Office. Click on the Add button to install, and hit on the Continue button to agree to the license agreement. Immediately after the installation is done, it's going to launch on the right-hand side of the screen, as you can see right here. When the add-in is launched, at the top right here is where you can enter the URL or text you want to encode. But before that, right here you can select what you want to generate a QR code for, whether it's a URL, an email, a telephone number, SMS, geolocation, or custom. I am going to go with the first one, which is for a basic URL. And then I am going to enter the URL, let's say google.com. And down here you see a preview of the QR code. Within options, you can change the color of the QR code. You have different colors here. You can also change the background color and the size if it is too small or too big. When you are done, you can right-click on the preview image. From here, you can save it as an image file, copy and paste it wherever you want, share, or inspect the HTML or CSS properties. When you click on this Insert button, it will insert the QR code into your Documents page. While the QR code is on my Documents page, I cannot move or position it the way I want. To be able to do that, I will have to wrap it. Select the QR code and click on Picture Format. Down here, click on Wrap Text, and then in front of text. Now the movement is more flexible. I can also copy it from here and paste it in, for example, PowerPoint. When I hit on the Insert menu, click on Add-ins, and then My Add-ins. Here you find the QR for Office add-in. When you right-click on the QR code, from here you can cut, copy, and even save it as a picture. Choose the location where you want it to be saved. I am going to choose my desktop and give it a file name, DennisTechTips, and then click on Save. When I go over to my desktop, there I have my QR code. Another way you can generate a QR code is to use a free and open source app called ShareX. Although ShareX is a screen capture application, that is, you can use ShareX to take screenshots and also record your screen. But other than capturing screen, ShareX have other amazing features, of which one of them is generating QR codes. You can download ShareX from the official website getsharex.com. To learn more about ShareX, I have a beginner's tutorial on ShareX on this channel. Go check it out. The link is in the description of this video. To use ShareX to generate a QR code, click on the Tools button on the left-hand side of the screen and select the QR code option. And you get this window. Right here you can encode as well as decode a QR code. To encode a QR code, simply enter the information you want to encode here. So let's do google.com, and down here you see a preview of the QR code. From here, you can right click on it to copy the image to the clipboard, save it as an image file, and upload it or decode it. To decode a QR code here, click on the Decode tab. From here, you either decode from the screen or decode from image file. When you click on Decode from image file, you can select the QR code from its location and the app will decode it. Another way to generate a QR code is to head over to your browser and then enter the URL unitag.io/QR code. The link is in the description of this video. Right here, when you click on Other Types, you can select whether you want to generate a QR code for a phone number, SMS, email, geolocation, events, Wi-Fi, or text. When you select the one you want, head over here and enter the corresponding information. Once again, I am going to type in google.com and hit on the confirm button. Right here, I see a preview of the QR code. Next, you can customize your QR code to your preference. Under customization, first I can select a template for the QR code. I have a bunch of templates down here I can choose from. Next, you can change the color to any color of your choice. It can be a single color, a color gradient, or an image overlay. Next, you can select a style for the module and the eyes. You have different styles down here. Next, you can add a logo to the QR code. You can add an available online logo by pasting the image URL in here, or you can just upload one from your PC. When you are done, click on the Download Your QR Code button. But before we do that, up here there is a warning saying, customized QR codes may be unscannable. Be sure to verify that your QR code can be scanned in real size before using it. I will advise you don't add too much customization to your QR code so that you don't have scanning issues. When you are done, click on Download Your QR Code button. And then you will get this dialog. Click on Next Step and then hit on Download Your QR Code. Select the location where you want to save the QR code. I will select my desktop, give it a file name, DennisTechTips, and click on Save. And here I have my QR code. So that is it, guys. That is how to generate a QR code. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, support this channel by subscribing, and turn on post notification so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.